This is the third wrist whip variation I want to show you. This one's the harder of the two, but it's definitely the coolest looking, I think. It just looks like the wrist mount appears. What you do looks like this. You're actually like throwing the string down, and that's what's creating that triangle. It looks like that. You actually land it into a wrist mount from there. Let me try this again and get this smooth looking for you guys. Comes around, you're actually like throwing the string down, as you can see me doing there. I'm actually taking that and throwing the string down. And that's where you land it. It lands right into it. It's a really fast way to get into it. If you ever are competing, this is a great trick to put in because it's worth points and it gets you in really fast to the trick. What you do, you'll notice that what I'm doing is I'm still pinching again. This always involves the pinching right there. I'm actually taking this hand, and as the yo-yo is swinging across my body, I'm taking this and throwing it across the string like so. As this happens, my hand comes in and intercepts that string that's coming across. Let me show you real quick. So as this is coming across, let me stop the yo-yo right there. The string is whipping down across like that. And I'm taking my throw hand and intercepting it on this side, which is what's creating that wrist mount. Let me show you again full speed what this looks like. Coming across, I whip down like so, and I take my hand and insert it into that loop that's forming. And eventually it'll look just like that. Just like that. So one more time, you're taking it, it's whipping down. You can actually also get into it from here if you want to put your hand right into it and then move it over to the wrist mount. Gets you into the same thing. Try it again. Like so. With an extra wrap around right there. But anyways, coming down, it whips over and you catch just like that. That's an over whip wrist mount. That's your third variation.